Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we are on the 1 hour time frame zoomed out because I wanted you to be able to see this whole move down because that is likely either a wave A of a big correction or it's a wave one of a trend reversal on the daily. That means that this move up right here probably is very likely a correction to this move down. More than likely it's going to end up making some sort of a three-way pattern like that, in my opinion, some sort of an A, a B, and a C, probably an ABC of B, and an A or an ABC of two. And luckily, we trade away two and a wave B exactly the same, so it shouldn't be too much of a big deal. So now that we have this nice little push down, if we do get a break of structure, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because I would expect this wave B to probably have some sort of a three-way pattern inside of it. So, you would get like a wave A, you'd probably get a crutch into the wave A, a wave B, and then you'd likely get another push down to maybe like the 61% or even the 78% for a wave C, and that would likely be the completion of this ABC of B. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.